The social media stocks have struggled since their last earnings reports. Snap shares are down 55% since then. Twitter's down 39%. Pinterest shares are off 33%. They hit an all-time low. And Meta shares are down about 2%. Now, there are three key factors that are weighing on all of these shares. These companies warned about Apple's iOS changes hurting their ability to target ads. They also talked about supply chain challenges causing advertisers to pull back spending on that all-important holiday quarter. And investors also have concerns about waning engagement as economies open. Pinterest actually lost users in the last quarter. Now, these stocks are getting a boost this morning, though, from Google's better than expected results. See, they're all in the green, with Alphabet shares of about 10%, Meta up over 3%. This after YouTube reported that its revenue grew 25% from the year ago quarter, though it did fall short of analysts' expectations. Does speak to the strength of digital advertising right now. Loop Capital writing, quote, "We expect that earnings season for the digital advertising stocks will be not as bad as feared," going on to say, quote, "Snap is the best risk reward into earnings in our view. Sentiment has soured significantly and the stock has underperformed the group and the broader markets year to date. We think that iOS measurement headwinds are transitory, so that's something to watch when Meta reports after the bell. Analysts do expect its revenue growth to slow dramatically to 19%. The question is what kind of outlook Mark Zuckerberg provides into the year ahead. Guys?
Julia, already in speaking with some people this morning, they've talked about how because we saw such great numbers from Google, they're anticipating that you're going to get some pretty great numbers as well. So just in the last 12 hours or so, I just wonder how much ratcheting up there's been in terms of expectations for this group at this point.
I mean, just looking at those stocks and how much higher they are in the extended hours trading, I think the expectations have gone up dramatically because of what we saw out of Google, but really YouTube in particular. And I think that there are these questions about the structural challenges facing the advertising, the digital advertising supported stocks right now, Becky. But then I think there's this question between these companies. How does each of them fare when it comes to growing engagement as people spend less time at home? Is that something that maybe Snap is better at and Pinterest is worse at, because Pinterest is really has been traditionally used for more of those at-home activities. So I think we're going to have to see how each of these companies fares with these broader questions and challenges.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.